People think getting rich is all about big moves, for example, a lucky investment or setting up a new business. But that's not just how it works. For me, wealth came from tiny habits, repeated quietly. And today I will share 12 small habits that completely change how I think, I earn, and live, and help me build my first seven-figure investment portfolio in my early 30s. Hey, I'm Charlene. I'm a Zurich-based investment coach, so this channel is all about building wealth in Switzerland without hype, without burnout, and without needing a finance background. So number one little habits is all about keep things simple. So let me start with a belief that really took me years to understand. So most of people think building wealth is very complicated, and they think it depends on the economy, the market, interest rate, policies, timing, luck, and some secret strategy only smart people know. And honestly, that belief alone keeps people poor, because when something feels really complicated, we delay, we overthink, and we do nothing at all. I remember when I first started learning about money, I read books, I watched YouTube videos, I listened to all those podcasts, and everyone sounded really smart or too smart. And at some point, I asked myself a very simple question: is it really that complicated, or are we just making it complicated? And then I really tried to simplify things. And then what I saw is, for normal people, I'm not talking about hedge fund managers or traders or billionaires. So for normal people, building wealth is actually very, very simple. Not easy, but simple. So here is the simple version. You make money, you save the money, and you invest the money, and then you repeat. And that is for normal people like us. And now I know most of us are pretty, I believe, already familiar with making money and saving money. But when it comes to investing, that's where people get stuck. And people think it's complicated, but actually also it's not. I will explain shortly. So the first habit I want you to share is really to develop a habit to try to simplify things, not just in finance, but also in other parts of life. The second habit that I developed over the years is I learned to say no without explaining. So this one was very uncomfortable at the very beginning. I used to say yes to everything, extra work, like meetings that I didn't need, or social plans that I don't really enjoy, because I didn't really want to be rude, or difficult or unhelpful. But every time I said yes to things like that, I was saying no to something else. So my time, my energy, and my focus. And at some point, I noticed something. So people who are doing really well financially and mentally were very, very selective. So I started practicing one simple thing, saying no and stopping there. So no long explanation, no over justifying. And guess what? Most people are okay with it. And here's the lesson. So every explanation invites negotiation. And when I stopped over explaining, I got my time back. And protecting your time is really one of the most underrated wealth habits. The third habit I wanted to share is I really ask one question before every purchase, asset or expense. So this habit completely changed how I think about spending money. So before I buy anything, I pause and ask one simple question: is this an asset or an expense? Not everything needs to make money, but I need to be very honest about it. So for example, a fitness coach, on paper, it looks like an expense, but better health means more energy, and more energy means better focus, and better focus means better work. So for example, for me, that is an asset. And same with education, courses, books, and coaching. So they don't show up, for example, on a balance sheet, but they often increase your future income. And on the other hand, impulse shopping, buying things to impress others, upgrading lifestyle just because income went up, and these are usually expenses. And this habit really removed guilt from spending. I stopped feeling bad about not saving enough. Instead, I spent intentionally. The fourth habit I wanted to share is create more than I consume. So this habit changed really everything. So Thomas Cordy said, the wealthiest people create more than they consume. So research backed this up. Actually, around 67% of wealthy people watch TV for 1 hour or less per day. For others, this number dropped to 23%. So for a very long time, I was on the consuming side. Books, podcasts, social media. It felt productive, but nothing really moved forward. And then I noticed a pattern. Founders, investors, people I admire, they were not just consuming more information. They were producing output. So instead of spending evenings scrolling, I wrote one post, shared one insight, or built one small thing. So that's why actually this YouTube channel exists today with over 100 videos already. And that's also why I created both of my free investment training program and my paid signature investment training program. And creation really changed everything for me personally. And I can be very honest, I can even say it really transformed my life over the past 2 years. And just in case you're curious about what I do and then want to try this journey a little bit, I just wanted to insert a little advertisement here. So if you haven't joined any of my investment program yet, I highly recommend you to join me on this journey. So like I mentioned, just want to be fully transparent with you. We have both a free training and a paid course, but I highly suggest you to take the free one first. And if you feel you are really resonated and wanted to do a more in-depth experience with us, you can let me know later. So the register link I will put in this video description area. So sign up before the spots are filled up. The fifth habit I wanted to share is about learn how the money actually works early. So we already talked about the simple wealth system, right? So you make money, you save the money, and you invest the money. So for most normal people, I would say, like us, that's the whole system, that's the whole game. But there's actually the problem. So most of us are never taught how investing actually works. So we guess, we copy others, or we do nothing. So people often ask me, especially those younger students, and they ask me, what should I learn early that really pays off later? My answer is always the same. So first, learn English if it's not your native language. Second, build a fitness habit. Health and your appearance is very important. And third is to learn how investing, how money works as early as you can. Not which stocks to buy, not hot tips, but the system. So understand your financial situation and your investment goals. Learn the main investment options. Build a strategy that fits your goals. Execute confidently and optimize over time. So that's it. So once you really understand this framework, money stops feeling scary. So you stop gambling, you stop copying, you start owning your finances. And this skill, it compounds for decades. Learning how money works early was really one of the highest return investment I ever made. And I also publicly share my own money journey in some YouTube videos as well. So like how much I made, how much I saved, and how much I invested over the past 10 years. So if you're interested, you can check out this video later. So I'll put the video link here as well. And the next habit I wanted to share is I stopped taking advice from people I don't admire. And this one was a really big mindset shift for me. So especially as a woman, we talk a lot about our careers, relationships, money, men, life choices. And we often give advice to each other. And even when we're still going, trying to figure things out ourselves. So I did that too, until I noticed actually a pattern. I was taking advice from people whose lives I didn't really want. And I realized something very simple. I shouldn't take money advice from someone who is broke. And I shouldn't take relationship advice from a friend stuck in a toxic relationship. And I would never hire a fitness coach who is not fit himself, for example. So it sounds very obvious, but most people ignore this. So now I ask one question, do I want their results? So if the answer is no, I listen politely, but I just don't follow. And this habit saved me time, money, and emotional energy. Advice is everywhere. Good advice is really rare. So choose your sources carefully, because who you listen to quietly shapes who you become. And the next habit I wanted to share is build meaningful networks, not just more contacts. So people love to say, especially like in finance or in banking, I believe in other industry as well. So they say your network is your net worth. I would say yes and no, because a big network without depth is just noise. And I've met people with thousands of contacts and zero real support. And I've met people with really only 5 strong relationships who never struggle alone. So over time, I realized something very important. So every relationship in life, family, romantic, friendship, or business relationships, is built on value exchange, not manipulation, not transaction, real value. And you give, they give, that's it. So at some point, I stopped just going to a network event just for the networking purpose or just collecting name cards. And quality beats quantity every time. So one meaningful connection can really change your career, your mindset, and your life. And that is real net worth. And the next habit I wanted to share is I track my net worth, not just my income. I really mean net worth now. So for a long time, I thought income was everything. Higher salary, better job title, more bonuses. It felt like progress, but income is just one number. And what really matters is what you keep and how you grow it. So this is when I started tracking my net worth. So net worth basically is your assets minus your liability. That is your net worth. So cash, investments, pensions, property, debt. So one simple number. Some months my income went up, but my net worth didn't. And that was the wake-up call. Because a high income with no assets is fragile. And tracking net worth really changed my behavior. I saved more intentionally, I invested more consistently, and I stopped chasing lifestyle upgrades. Income pays the bill, but your net worth builds freedom. The next habit I wanted to share is learn how to learn. So this doesn't sound a money habit, but really it might be the most valuable one. So at some point, I realized the world changes so fast. I would say changes faster than any degree or job title. So the real skill isn't what you learn. Instead, it is you identify what to learn and how fast and how efficiently you can learn it. So for example, today I'm learning different AI tools. I learned German, I learned ice skating, I learned how to build more muscles, for example. And sometimes you can feel different skills, they have the same learning logic. And I always start with the system, the big picture first. And I will ask myself, how does this really work? How to simplify this? And what are the moving parts? And what actually matters? So only then do I go to details. So Charlie Munger said, go to bed smarter than when you woke up. So when you know how to learn instead of just what to learn, nothing feels intimidating. The next habit I wanted to learn is invest in your health early. And this one became very clear to me because of my background. I came from banking and finance, and honestly, it is not the healthiest industry. So long hours, late nights, stress, a lot of alcohol, a lot of drinking. So when I was back in Hong Kong, many people, I would say they work around 12 plus hours per day. That is very normal. And many people around me were successful on paper, but exhausted or really have different mental issues. And at some point, I realized something really simple. If you don't have energy, nothing else really works. So I really started trading health as an investment. So not a hobby, not a nice to have. I cut on alcohol. I started training regularly. And now I go to the gym about 4 times a week. So of course, I would say looking good is a bonus, but the real return is really your energy. So now I often actually train in the morning when my schedule allows. It sets the tone for the entire day, and it upgrades the productivity and quality of every single hour. And Warren Buffett once said, the best investment you can make is in yourself. I totally agree. And the next habit I wanted to share is to build systems, not motivation. Motivation is really unreliable. So some days you have it, some days you don't. If your progress depends on motivation, usually it will not last. So I stopped relying on how I feel and started to build systems. And this applies to basically every corner of my life. You know, how I learn new skills, how I train, how I invest, and how I teach others about money. So everything has a system. So I don't just wait until I feel inspired. So I schedule it, I break it into small steps, and then I repeat. So same with investing. So automatic contributions, regular reviews, and simple rules. Same with teaching as well. So clear framework, step-by-step system, not random investment advice. So systems really remove friction and they keep you consistent and even on bad days. That's why people say motivation gets you started, systems keep you going. The next habit I wanted to share is I accept that boring beats brilliant. So actually this took me a really long time to accept because brilliant sounds exciting, right? So brilliant feels smart and brilliant make good headlines. But boring, boring actually works. So for example, in investing, the people who win long term are rarely the most creative ones. They are the most consistent. So no constant switching, no chasing trends, and no reacting to every piece of news. And just simple strategies executed again and again. So the same actually applies to other parts of life. So for example, like fitness training, some core exercise, I would say 5 to 6 or 5 to 8 core exercise like squats, deadlift, bench press. It's not sexy to just keep repeating some certain exercises, but that's actually what it works and how it works. And brilliant ideas, you know, they come and go. Boring habits, they really stay. And really took me some time to really accept this. And funny enough, when I realized this, that's when things really started to move faster. And because boring then consistently beats brilliant, which is then occasionally every single time. And now I just wanted to share some final thoughts. So I wanted to say none of these habits make me rich overnight, but together they really changed my trajectory and helped me build my first 7-figure investment portfolio in my early 30s. And if you want a simple step-by-step system that shows how I did this and how you can do it too, I actually put together the free investment training. The link is below and the spots are limited. So I will see you inside the free training.